Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a short video coloring with Vineyard effect on Capcut. So first, you just need to add your clips and go to adjust and then follow my steps. So for the brightness, lower it to -10, contrast 5, saturation 2, and then exposure 10, sharpen 100, and now click on the highlight and set it into 25. And then click on a check icon. Now go to filter, click on the live category, swipe until you find the nature filter. Okay, this one. Now click on a check icon and then go to overlay and add this gradient image. Okay, fit the size and go to blend, overlay, and set it into 55. Click on a check icon and now export the video. Now start a new project with the video you save. Copy it. Okay, and then set it as overlay. Put it under like this, and now go to cutout and remove the background. Okay, after that you can just click on a check icon and now go to video effects. Click on the light category and then select the angel effect. Okay, click on a check icon and now go to adjust and add some Vineyard effect. So you can add it to based on your liking. I'm going to go with 10. Okay, so now you are done. That's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.